Oh, here we are fitting a quad seal on a Harley. Now, what we've done, we put cello-tape around all these splines, assembly oil, you know, assembly lube on as well, so it slipped really easily down. And basically we're just going to get a piece of pipe, that's too big. These are actually wheel spacers, that's too small. It's not big enough. Easiest way, I reckon, is get a washer that will fit on there. Okay. In fact, here we go. This is a wheel space, if I remember. Yeah, this is a wheel spacer. Is that going to go down? Get this stupid thing off here. Bollocks. Okay, as you can see, this is definitely filmed live. I think we've lost the bloody spacer. Okay, this is proper TV, as you can tell. Bit of a knob at times, as you can see. Okay, so we're going to put this over here. Yeah, that should do it. I'm going to put this on top. No, we're not. We're going to fit the one that's a bit bigger. Okay, we're going to tap it down with this. Gently tap this down. And this should go in. Okay, I'm going to have to stop for a minute because obviously I want to hold this dead square. Okay, that's too big. Yeah, that one should do fine. So basically we're just going to tap this in very, very gently while checking it goes in square. Okay, hang on. Pretty good. So there's the finished result. Okay, quad seal in. This was put in obviously with the correct seal driver, but as we didn't have one for this, piece of aluminium. Okay, just an old bit of alley. This is just sealant we've put on the actual outside, because I noticed Baker had done this as well. So basically we've got the quad seal in, absolute bastard to get out, it's the only word to describe it. But when you put the sealant on like they did, or they use glue, you shouldn't have any problem with that leaking at all. Okay, Mike from CustomCruisers.com. If you need any tranny rebuild kits or any work doing, give us a bell. 01773 835 666. Thank you.